And here is our unit cooler of cold room. The cold air will flow from this fan and cool the whole cold room and make its temperature in a very low degree. And you can have a look at its structure. There are many copper tubes on the machine. Mm, there are very there are so much refrigerant through these copper tubes, and these copper tubes is welded by silver electrodes, which means it has a very good welding point, so it won't leak refrigerant. And this fan is anti-corrosion, and the electric lines in it, and you can see inside are many tubes. So a cold room is a very important part. It's a unit cooler and roof and panel and door. This is hinge door I introduced before, and a very important thing is the condensing unit. The condensing unit is outside this room. Before I enter this room, I show you a small video. The green one and the white one is condensing unit.